we got a heavy snowfall last night, and you can see our shed is covered with snow. Look at the roof. I'm planning to clean up our house heating unit, which is in the back of this area. It's all heated by electricity, and this is the unit. See, the top of it is covered by snow, and I place a small plastic sheet around it, and so that's preventing all the snow accumulating on top of the unit. So they say around 20 centimeters of snow piled up today, last night, within few hours. Usually for many years we don't get a snowfall like this sometimes, and this is a kind of a rare thing. You see, now the snow is almost up to my knee level. This is me. I am ready to work outside wearing some snow gear, and the snow level is all the way up to my close to my knee. Nice truck. I see all-wheel drive. This is a kind of vehicle suitable for this kind of weather, and I can see some cars driving already. So if the snow is not really packed and tight, people can drive on this kind of weather. This is the shovel that I'm going to use. It's a small shovel which is not going to be enough, and this is some ice salt. And it's good for my up until minus 15, and it's not minus 15. Actually, it's not like rest of the Canada. Here the temperature might be around still minus 6, which is not super cold compared to rest of the Canada, but the snowfall is pretty difficult for Victoria weather. And you see the cars, how much snow we got last night within few hours.